Hello friends, welcome to Pandesar Concept Classes. Today we are going to learn subject Innovation Technology Management. Topic is technology change. So outline for this topic, we have to learn dynamics of the technology change, basic of innovation management, process of technology innovation. So there are the few steps of the dynamics of technological change. First we go through the basics, then overview the form level, technology level, implication for technology management. So first thing, back to basics, dynamics of technological changes. Earlier video we learned about the what is technological management. So it's a revision kind of things. Uh, Technology management, finding the effective means to fulfill the want needs of the customer in the marketplace. What's the requirement going on in marketplace? We learn by the technology management through the change in technology. Second point is the competitive advantage accrue to firm only when the capabilities are deployed in the new product process. Here we learn, first we think about the is it possible to implement this technology in a particular software, so it will be beneficial for the competitive advantage in when the capability is deployed in the new product of the processes. In other words, we can say application of the knowledge is central technological change activity. Okay, so technology change takes place on three things: old solution, new problem; new solution to old problem; a combination of both. Old solution to new problem, definitely we can implement new things in an old technology, but sometime new solution also having the problem, then we again reheal our old pattern or the old problem to find the solution of the new solution, and a combination of the both. Third thing, the technological change consists between process of innovation and diffusion. So this is the firm level technological change. There are the four steps which can visible on my PPT. First thing, the problem recognition. Second thing, the technology selection. Third thing is the solution development. Fourth thing is the commercialization or implementation. So basic things, we must recognize the problem, then we think about the solution. So you can say it's a triggers to move forward to find the solution. There are the steps: technological feasibility, market potential, mandated, will we create competitive advantage. Okay. So what is the technological feasibility? Sometime before I told you that is it feasible to implement in a new software, that is called the feasibility, and you can say as is and to be. Suppose we are using our document, you are using our accounts in Excel. Right now we have to implement in Excel to SAP or ERP kind of technology. Definitely we think about the feasibility of changes, that is called the technological feasibility. What are the market potential? What is the market? Everybody know about the market and market potential. Here, what is the basic requirement? Can after implement, definitely we can get something, or you can say it's a condition of dilemma. Okay, that is called the market potential. Okay, so next thing is the technological selection. There are lots of technology which is using which is implemented by the developers. There are the many alternatives. Basically, alternatives divide in the two kind of things: alternative design and technological choice. Suppose you can go through the any software, you can go through any website. There you are looking designs, and behind of that website, definitely it will implemented by the Java or ASP.NET. These are the technological choices, right? Now, third stage is the solution development. So this is called the mode of implementation. If you talk about the alternative design, definitely it is innovation, part of innovation. And technological choices, this is the adoption. Okay. Whenever you switch the technology from new to old or old to new, that is called adoption. So here in technology selection, there is a question which technology should we bet on. Okay. In alternative, we think about which technology we bet on, Java, .NET, or anything. Now, the mode of implementation, innovation and adoption already I discussed. So the key question is the should we make or buy? So for implementation of the software, we can buy it or we can make it. It's depend upon the financial condition of the company and their workers. Fourth point is the commercialization and implementation. Forms of the change, है ना? Commercialization of the new product. Earlier video we discussed about the transistor first time implemented, discovered by the America and commercialized by the Japanese company. So commercialization of new product, reconfiguration of the value chain. How do we implement? Basically, commercialization implementation says how do we implement and configure of the value chain. Everybody know what is the meaning of value chain? In marketing, you learn it value chain, and sometime before I told you what is the value chain in a diagram. So this is the dynamics of the technological changes overview in the firm level. Dynamics of the technological changes overview the technology level. Okay. So here in diagram you can see the actors in the evolutionary dynamics. जिसके ऊपर हमको एक्शन लेना है, actor in evolutionary dynamics. There are the 5 factors which are affecting to actors in the evolutionary dynamics. First is the technology developers, other is stakeholder beneficiaries, third thing is the regulatory authorities having the rules and protocol, customer, technology facilitators, right? So here you can see innovation. Where is the innovation? Technology development. And where is the diffusion? In a side of customer, because customer wants something new, so it will be reject or accept. That is called diffusion. Innovation, technology developers always think or implement, or you can say develop the new kind of things. That is called the technological developers. So there are steps like the change is driven by the numerous firms and organizations involved in the technological development. We always accept the change for the growth of our company, for the growth of organization, and organization involved the technological development. At technological level, changes level, display evolutionary dynamics that are not controlled by a single firm. Okay, suppose one firm changed their technology, definitely other firm affected by the changes the technology of the first firm, because everybody think about the advancement. So this is the overview of the technology level.